is we'll be looking at how to utilize CoinMarketCap Alexandria, where to get your best crypto news, updates, and more. You can also get informed right on this portal here. So there's also the new shows you price of top cryptocurrencies and more. So basically, with the link in the description box on CoinMarketCap Alexandria, you navigate here. Navigation is usually very easy to do. You can also sign up with your email address here, which is made available. So right here, there are lots of picks. So you can go to the lens section. Also, we also have different topics. Lens section, we have the CoinMarketCap news, we have the glossary, and also the video section. So whichever one you feel drawn to, that's how you go about it. So if peradventure you're looking how to go for the lens section, all you need to do is click on it. So once you click on the lens, it's going to show you a list of drop down menu that you can choose from. So we have the blog, the crypto basics, how to guys, market musings, tech dives, and trading analysis. If you're a beginner, you're a new trader, you want to learn how to trade, you want to check this out. If you're a tech fan, a tech enthusiast, you want to check the tech section. Or if you are a market enthusiast, you want to check the general market of cryptocurrency, you want to utilize market musings, which is right here, market musings. Or if you want to learn how to guide, you want to check about the how to section, how to understand some basic or utilize some major updates on the crypto network. Then there are also crypto basics, which you should check crypto basics, and this is the general blog in general. So how to go about utilizing it. Then also there are loads of topics here. So topics ranges from blockchain, altcoins, metaverse, and more. So I think there will still be a section for Web 3.0, basically or specially, but however, it does fall under most of these topics here on the blockchain network. I think you can find updates on that. And so these are some of the packs you'll be able to see updates on altcoins, Ethereum network. If you want to check for just Ethereum, you can check for just BTC, Bitcoin, you can check all articles I have written so far on just Bitcoin. So these are some of the benefits, guys. Then trading, we have game fee, play to earn games, NFTs, and more. So that's how these blog or website is arranged. Then also for recent announcements, you can check here for the announcement features. Then we have the feature explorer. Then for the marketing section, you can also check it out for ongoing campaigns and more. That's where you get to see campaigns as well as these learn and earn campaigns. They usually drop some airdrops too there, or majorly these learn and earn campaigns and airdrops or giveaways. Grocery is where you'll be learning how to some of the keywords. It's just like your dictionary or your crypto dictionary. Is where you can define your crypto terms and get a meaning to it. This video is going to take you directly to their YouTube website or their YouTube page, so you can watch some video tutorials about crypto in general. So guys, I'm going to click on these. So that's how to navigate using the mobile version. Also, there's a search button here. On the search button, you can decide to type whichever keywords that you want to type. Let's say we have trendy, so I'm going to type web 3.0 here. 3.0. So you're going to type it and search for what you want to search. So it's going to show you loads of articles on the web 3.0. So currently it says here there are 44 results for web 3.0 search. So you also can navigate between articles here. You can choose what to this filter button. You can choose what to include and what not to include in your search. So there are loads of articles. So first of all, we have Coinbase down as Amazon Web Services suffers outage. So this is a related web 3.0 topic. I told you guys that the web 3.0 spreads across several topics. So we have for altcoins, this article was done under market musings. We also have blockchain, done under the blockchain. We also have one done under NFT sections, and one done under metaverse, new year under the blog in general. We have market musings too. So these are just some related articles to these terms. So if you still want to search for terms for BTC, or you want to search for if you want to search for BTC, this article will be coming up, because the title of the article has the keywords, or the article has these keywords. So those are some of the things you want to be familiar with on these while utilizing it. So there are levels to these articles. We have articles that are easy, moderate, and hard. Easy articles are articles that you can read between let's say less than let's say 1 to 3 minutes. You're done with them if you're a fast reader, or if you read. The moderate articles are articles that usually take between, let's say, 3 to 10 minutes. 3 to 10 minutes, or just let's say 3 to 10 minutes. So the easy articles could take as much as 1 to 5. Then for the moderate articles, they usually take from 3 to 10 minutes. Then for the articles that are hard, these articles take from 7 minutes and above. So they could range for they could be on for 25 minutes or more reading time. So those are some of the things you want to know. So if you want to check for if after you've done your search results, you still want to streamline your search results to just easy articles, you can click on easy here, and you can now apply the effect. So if you click on just easy, that should show us articles that have. So I'm going to uncheck all these. It's going to show us just easy articles that we can read within a short period of time. So we're going to click on apply. So it's going to show us they will now have about 18 articles. So also, if you still want to reduce if you still want to reduce this to add more features to it, you can also click on it, apply feature. So we just remove some more section. We just streamline our search. Let's see what we're going to have here. Okay, still on 18. So let's remove these topics that are related to metaverse and more, blockchain, these and these. We're removing all of them. Let's see what search is going to tell us. Okay, so still down to 18. Okay, still down to 18. So I'm going to go over to remove more. We're going to leave for just blogs, the blog in general. Let's see what we are left with. So for the blog in general, we're now left with just one article which says a New Year's Bitcoin expects 30k for Polkadot as Polkadot surges. So guys, I do hope you find this tutorial helpful. At the okay, this is what we'll talk about for the crypto glossary. The glossary we have about 16 here. Okay, there's still search results for the crypto glossary. Talks about Amazon SQL storage cells. These are just some definitions that you want to take into note. We have Web 2.0 and more. Web 1.0. So Web 1.0 is a term that is often used to describe the early version of the internet. 2.0, which supports more user-generated content and stability. 3.0 is a decentralized internet. So guys, you can also utilize their social media handles for more. So this is just a tutorial video understanding how to utilize or how to navigate on the CoinMarketCap blog. If you have any questions, please let us know. Also on this lens section. Okay, that's basically it. Stay safe, it's your back. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We do hope you find this helpful. you can navigate and enjoy your reading experiences at a much better speed with these effects. Peace out, guys. Stay safe and much love. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.